TNT explosion part 2. Click the TNT. One, no one. No. This is the biggest TNT explosion ever. That's why you got the game so much. I need a what?
This is where I grew up.
That's huge.
Look at all the river it made.
If you just look at this image, nobody would know it used to be a village.
How do we zoom out? Let me just.
Sophia, can I like?
I want to go in the hole.
You go in the hole.
Amazing.
I don't want to turn this video too long.
I want to go in the river.
It's just a TNT explosion.
Go in the river. Go in the river. I want to. Even though I might die, I'm going in the river.
That's pretty cool. Like Sophia.
Can I go in the river?
Yes, you can.
Yeah.
And once you go in the river, the video ends. Okay, the video has ended.